Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi Sagittarius fire sign. This is April weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius fire sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Sagittarius and what's going on? Wow, very positive reading for you Sagittarius so far. So the sun with 9 of cups, there is happiness is coming towards you, positive shifts are coming towards you and your wishes are going to be granted for sure, because 9 of cups with the sun card, very positive reading for you, and there is some big happiness is coming towards you Sagittarius. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 2 of swords, Knight of cups and 8 of swords. So you are at some crossroads in recent past. You are indecisive about making decision and you are also feeling stuck in recent past. In your mind there is a lot of going something about someone or something. Lot of things are going in your mind and someone is ready to come back. Maybe if you are in separation with your person, if you are not in separation with your person, maybe they want to take this relationship to next level. For some it could be a new love also. It depends on your situation totally, but some love is coming towards you. Someone want to express their love to you, but you are feeling stuck. You are indecisive in recent past. Then present, Ace of Swords, the Hangman and 4 of Pentacles. So you are feeling stuck still. Lot of thoughts are going in you and you are holding back emotionally. And there was some communication, truth coming out with, and for some there is communication is coming with clarity. Ace of Swords is here. Maybe you have to make decision about someone or something, but you are indecisive. But in near future you will make it, but it will take some time because you are in some confusion state about decision making. Then future energies, Queen of Wands, 10 of Cups and 6 of Cups. And you will stand by your power. You are taking your control back. It's you Sagittarius, fire energy. So I think you are doing your work very passionate, lot of passion. With a lot of passion you are doing your work, and there is, if you are in separation, your person is coming back for reconciliation and they really want to offer this 10 of Cups to you. Definitely reconciliation. You also thinking about them a lot. Maybe you are waiting for them to reach out to you. Definitely a lot of thinking is going, and for some you both could be have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, but there is happiness is coming towards you Sagittarius. So the person involved in this connection could be a lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, then air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Knight of Cups, yeah, they're coming back if you are in separation. Okay, 2 of Wands. For some this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Okay, High Priestess. I think your person may be listening to their inner self, trusting their intuition. This is a spiritual connection for some. Yeah, right now maybe your person have options also. They're thinking about to make decision, because 2 of Wands with 2 of Pentacles. Maybe your person have options, but they're asking their intuition, they're listening to your intuition. High Priestess here, because if you are in separation with your person, but your bond is very strong, even though you both are in separation. And Eight of Pentacles is here. Your person really want to work on this relationship. Yeah, they're juggling. They're thinking about you a lot and they're going to be choose you. So let's see their actions, Sagittarius. Yeah, see, Six of Cups, reconciliation. Yeah, maybe you person walked away from this connection if the separation happened between both of you in past. If they did it, if they walked away in past, now they're feeling regret, they have regrets. Now they want reconciliation with you. They have high hopes on this connection. They want reconciliation because Six of Cups, they are thinking about you a lot because Two of Wands with Six of Cups and King of Pentacles is here. They really want to offer stability and they want to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level because all positive cards. Yeah, they have regrets. Now they want reconciliation with you, and the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius, a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. It's your card and it's your reading, Sagittarius. Yes, your person feeling hurt. Right now they're heartbroken. Temperance, they're taking their time. Maybe they want to heal before coming towards you because their pain, if you are in separation with your person, they're missing you. And Temperance, they want to restore the balance within themselves and within the connection also. So Sagittarius, the person involved in this connection could be other Sagittarius also. It could be. Yeah, right now your person may be feeling overburdened due to family or work pressure, whatever. They're feeling overburdened. But they are in pain without you, Sagittarius. So let's see their actions towards you. Again, this is general reading, guys. So take what resonates and leave the rest because everyone's situation is different from others. Yeah, I think things are turning out into your favor, Sagittarius, especially in the month of April. And you are concentrating on money making. You are creating more money. You're focusing on your abundance and especially on your personal growth also. There is a lot of abundance is coming. See, under the deck, 10 of Pentacles. Material success is coming towards you. A lot of abundance is coming for the month of April. Wow, very, very positive reading for you, Sagittarius. Love is coming, money is coming, commitment is also coming. Maybe in past there is no commitment between both of you. This is on and off connection. But now your person really want to offer commitment to this connection. And Page of Pentacles. For some children also involved in this connection and they want to coming back with an apology. They have regrets. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Sagittarius. You stand by your power. They're coming back for second chances. They will fight for your attention. For some, there is a lot of drama going between you and your person. They're ready to offer their love to you. But you stand by your power. You're focusing on yourself. You are no more dependent on anyone. You are okay with or without that person now. Because you are emotionally very, very strong now, Sagittarius. You achieved that balance within you. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Sagittarius. Person overall energy for the week. Maybe right now they are undergoing some spiritual awakening. They want success in this connection and they are very passionate about you, Knight of Wands. They are very attracted to you. Yes, commitment. This time they are coming back with passion and with commitment also. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Sagittarius. Show the world the real you and your dreams need a practical plan. So if you are hiding your emotions or feelings from anyone, don't do that. Show your real emotions and your dreams need a practical plan. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, first you have to need a practical plan. You have to prepare a practical plan. So this is the message. And this is full moon in Aquarius, and this is full moon in Taurus. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me.